Hey everyone! If you're planning to move in or out of Phoenix, you'll want to make sure you choose a trusted and affordable moving company to help with your relocation. Today we're talking about 3Movers, your go-to choice for professional, cheap moving services in Phoenix. Let's dive in. 3Movers is a highly rated moving company serving Phoenix and surrounding areas. We specialize in both local and long-distance moves and can handle any type of relocation, from residential and office moves to more complex international transfers. Our goal is simple: to offer affordable, reliable, and hassle-free moving. Let's look at the benefits of working with us. Moving out of state or across the country? Don't stress, our team is experienced in handling long-distance moves from Phoenix. We handle all aspects, including packing, loading, transportation, and unpacking. Just give us your coordinates and date, and we'll take care of the rest. Thinking about a local move in Phoenix? It may seem simple, but local moves still require careful planning and preparation. With flat rate pricing or hourly rates, you can choose the option that best fits your needs. So, if you're planning a move in or around Phoenix, don't hesitate to call 3Movers. Whether it's a local relocation, long-distance shift, or international transfer, we provide affordable, reliable services that make your life easier. Click the link in the description to get your free, no-obligation quote today and make your move a breeze.